Semper Fi, and America's Fund.
And so then that's when I called Super Big. I just knew I was being heard and I knew I was being loved. You know, that was pretty special.
As a case manager, Sue oversees financial and emotional support for service members in need.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the greater Portland, Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington. With the cooperation of public safety broadcasters and cable operators, this system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clackamas County in Oregon. This concludes this test message.
America's Fund, Sam officially launched his small business. Now he's in 4 local coffee shops in Wisconsin and has shipped to more than 35 states. For every bag of coffee sold, Sam gives 10% back to the fund and the people who saved his life.